YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Bearman17 coming at y'all with a video today. We're gonna be talking about a little bit of like financial tips, saving money, stuff like that. I just got done telling y'all in the last video, or really we was just talking about the V6 Charger versus the V8. I might have to go back and like do a part 2 to that video. But really we was talking about saving money at the gas pump and what one of my homeboys is doing. And pretty much he was using the phone number connected to the account at the gas station to get some extra cents per gallon off. And whose phone number exactly was he using? He was using his old girl's parents' phone number, which, I mean, I'm not gonna say it's unethical, but I mean, he was doing it, saving him some money. I can't knock bro for doing that. Like, come on, bro. Like, what the can't knock bro for doing that. But nah, man, this video here gonna be giving y'all some tips how y'all could like save a little bit more money, whatever, have a little more money for Christmas time, you know what I'm saying? Do this right here, bro, and get you a stock investing account, whether it's Webull, Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, whatever it is. Get you a stock brokerage account. I would say get Robinhood just because that's the easiest, that's the simplest. I've been on Robinhood for the longest, really since I've been in college. I've been on Robinhood for over 5 years. I've been on there since like 2018. Oh yeah, it's really been like 6 years. I've been on there since 2018, back when Dogecoin was like super cheap, like 0.000000, like before it even crashed back up pre-COVID. I was on there. Should have bought more back then, but I didn't. But I'm telling y'all, Robinhood, that's a great platform. It's easy to use, easy to understand. And honestly, bro, you don't even gotta overcomplicate the things. I'm gonna tell y'all the stocks right now that y'all should be trying to get. It's super simple, bro. Get you some S&P 500. Get you some Nvidia, some good tech stocks. Get you some Apple, because everybody got Apple iPhones. Apple iPhones, they're gonna continue to be the most popular phones in America. As more and more people move over to the country, they're gonna continue to wanna buy Apple iPhones too, so they can fit in with the American culture. Maybe not fit in, but like, there's just so many people around them that's going to have iPhones. Eventually they're going to have iPhones. And like, come on, man. I know the people that I interact with on a daily basis, there's not too many of them that got Androids. There's not too many people that I text that got green messages. Like my mom, she got an Android. My older brother, he got an Android. But really outside of that, everybody else got iPhones. So yeah, Apple stock, great stock to invest in. What else? Told y'all Nvidia. Coffee, that's not a bad, like a bad area to invest in. Not bad at all. But I mean, but if you know what's been going on with coffee and coffee shops and stuff like that, like Starbucks, they got a lot of competition nowadays. Back in the day, 5, 6, 7 years ago, they didn't have that much competition. But now you got scooters popping up. You got Dutch Bros popping up. That's probably the biggest one. If you are going to invest in some coffee, probably invest in Dutch Bros, bro. Because I mean, go look at the line of the Dutch Bros and then go look at the line of the Starbucks. And then you tell me which one you think doing better business. Oh, what else? The S&P 500, y'all need to invest in that. Just throw your money in there. It's real simple. Throw your money in there, let it sit. It's like 530 bucks a share. But it's probably like the safest bet you could take. I mean, it's really not even a bet, but I mean, it's the safest, definitely one of the safest stocks you can invest in. I highly recommend one. If you're gonna put the most money in the stock, or I mean, I know what I'm trying to fill my portfolio up with. I'm gonna just tell y'all that. I know what I'm trying to fill my portfolio up with. It's really like the VU. Trying to fill it up with the VU, fill it up with Apple, fill it up with Nvidia. Tesla stock, that is not a bad stock, bro, but as of late, I mean, it's been on the year, it's down. So I mean, you do what you will with that info. It's down on the year. I wouldn't buy any more of it. I'd probably take a break. I'm not buying no more of it. The only three stocks that I'm buying the rest of this year: the VU, Apple, Nvidia. If it's not one of those three, I'm not buying it. I'm not touching it. All right, as far as cryptos, I'm honestly not too much into cryptos like that. I do have a little bit of cryptos. If you do want to see my crypto portfolio, comment down below. I got no issue showing it to y'all. I don't have like a crazy ridiculous amount in crypto, but if y'all want to see it, I'll show it to y'all. I'll show y'all what cryptos I've been messing with. I'm really more of like stocks, bro, because I mean stocks is a lot simpler and a lot easier. And I feel like with stocks it's just like it's more consistent, it's less risky. You don't gotta take no major risk. Crypto, that shit is super risky, bro. Like if you want to throw your money into crypto, by all means be my guest. I've done it once. And I mean I don't plan on doing it again like that. Or at least not anytime soon. Maybe in like the near future, for sure. But right now, the rest of this year, the rest of 2024, sticking to stocks. And I done told y'all the 3 stocks. Again, get you a Robinhood account. Get your stocks. People be tripping right here. Get your stocks. And I mean, shoot, bro, just let that money stack up. Save your money. Don't be spending your money on dumb stuff. Don't be spending your money on dumb stuff. It's a lot more stuff. It's a lot more things important in life than blowing your money on that dumb stuff. I might go pick me up a couple cigars once I leave this gas station, because I do feel like chiefing on a little stogie while I'm watching that football game. It's a good game coming on tonight. Jets and Steelers. Aaron Rodgers, he been doing his thing. Russell Wilson is about to be his first game starting for the Steelers, so we're gonna see what that's looking like. My expectations I really ain't expecting nothing too crazy out of Russell Wilson. Russell Wilson versus Aaron Rodgers. Aaron Rodgers, he should come out on top in that matchup, but we're gonna see what happens. But yeah, I just told y'all what to do if you're trying to save up your money. If you got some tips, go ahead, drop them down below. If you think the video was good, leave your boy a like. And I mean, shoot, y'all see where we at. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one in like a few minutes.